Greetings fellow boat enthusiasts and welcome to A Boat with No Name. Today I'm going to be installing the Noco Genius and the Gcp1 adapter on my Tahoe T18. As you can see, I have removed the rear storage bins for access. You can access your battery through this compartment by the motor. The battery is sitting on a mounting pad with a Velcro strap around it. Remove the strap and move it forward to better access the battery. To install the Noco Genius, all you have to do is connect the negative and positive leads on the Noco Genius unit to the negative and positive terminals on your battery. Tighten down your nuts so that they're secure, but be sure not to over tighten. You can now reinstall your terminal protector and put the battery back in its mount. Feel free to add a zip tie to hold this in place. I didn't have any zip ties big enough, so I made do with what I had. Now it's time to install the Gcp1 plug adapter. I plan to install it on this spot in the middle of the boat. You can put it wherever you like, depending on preference. Always be sure there's nothing behind the area where you're going to drill. We'll start by finding the center point of where we want to drill. I couldn't find a ruler, so a piece of tape will have to do. We can then mark it with a pencil and do the other side. Now we'll mask up the whole area to prevent the fiberglass from splintering. Let's remove the tape and see what we've got. Looks like a nice clean hole. Now we'll insert the Noco Gcp1 adapter through the hole to check for fit and also mark the screw holes. Now, the screws that come with this kit are self-tapping. However, I would always recommend using a smaller drill bit to drill some pilot holes. Unfortunately, I can't find mine, so I'm going to have to use the self-tapping screws by hand. Doing this by hand was painstakingly slow and tedious, so don't be like me. Make sure you have the proper tools before you begin. I'll tighten these screws down about 90% and then finish by hand. Always tighten your screws by hand to prevent over-torquing. And there you have it. After tightening it down the first time, I realized that the alignment of the plug was off, so I had to go back and reinstall it so that the ground pin was down. I could have left it the way it was, but this makes for a cleaner finish. Well, unfortunately, the only way to finish tidying up this install is to get down in the hole. We'll connect our male end of the Noco Genius to the female end of the adapter. Let's test it to make sure it works, and then we can button everything up. That looks like it's working. Charge in progress. So I'm not sure where I'm going to mount this yet. Probably somewhere in the back there. We'll have easy access from the back compartment. However, I'm going to wait until I get some marine sealant because I don't feel comfortable drilling holes in the boat without sealing it properly. For now, it can sit right here and continue to maintain my battery through the winter season. So there we have it. Noco Genius and the Noco Gcp1 adapter installed. And maintaining our battery at 100%. As always, if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, thanks for stopping by. Let me know what you think about this video and if you have any other suggestions for this installation. I hope that this video was able to help someone out there and give you the encouragement to do this work yourself. Thanks for watching A Boat with No Name.